Put this up here. And get them a food dish. Put the food dish in here. We had to get a smaller one. This one, the other one was too big. So we'll put that there. We're gonna put this here. Fill them with food. Give them some flotation. That there. And put them a new top on. A little wobbly, but we can take care of that. We put that over there. We take the box that they came out of. And we're going to leave that there and let the bees eat. There's a little bit left in there. Well, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Give us a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Tell me what you think about those GoPros. Y'all have a great day. Bye.